So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make homemade protein powder at home. This protein powder has a lot of nutrients which are good for our bone health, skin, brain development, muscle gain, and so many other health benefits. So to make this protein powder, I'll be using different nuts and seeds which are nutritious to our body. You can decide to customize this according to your taste. So I will start by toasting the nuts. The almond. I'm going to be doing this on a low heat and I will toast this for about 2 minutes. Please, you need to be stirring this from time to time. So while still toasting the almond nut, I will add Brazil nuts. I will add cashew nuts. I will add walnuts. So I will also add pecan and pistachio nuts. Then I'm going to toast this for about 2 minutes, then turn off the heat and allow it to cool. So when I'm done toasting, I'm going to set aside and allow it to cool. So at this stage, I'll start by toasting the seeds. I'll be adding pumpkin seed. I'll toast it for a minute, then I'll add the flaxseed and the chia seed. Then stir it for about 30 seconds, then remove from the heat. So I'm also going to set aside the seeds and allow them to cool before blending everything. So when I notice that the nut and the seed has cooled down, I'm going to add them into the blender. I will blend into a fine powder. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to spray it out to cool before I will store it in airtight container. You can decide to sieve this. I hope you can see how easy it is to make your homemade protein powder at home. This protein powder contains a lot of nutrients like iron, zinc, magnesium, protein, fiber, which are so good if you want to gain weight, good for brain development, strong bone, muscle gain, and so many other health benefits. I hope that you try making this at home. You can add this protein powder to your milk, to your yogurt, to your cereal. You can also add it to your baking. Please, I would like to read your comments. How do you normally use or enjoy your protein powder? You can enjoy this protein powder in so many ways. Thank you all for watching.